In this video, I will show you how to delete chat history from ChatGPT on mobile. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT app on your mobile. Next, tap on menu icon located at the top left side. At the bottom, you will find your name. Just tap on it. Now on the settings page, tap on data controls. Under chat history, you will find an option clear chat history. Just tap on clear chat history option. And here you will get a confirmation box that says all your chats will be deleted from the history and you cannot revert it back. Any created memories will be retained. So if you are very sure you want to delete chat history from ChatGPT, just tap on clear chat history option. And within seconds, all your chat history from ChatGPT will be deleted. So if I go back, and now if I check for the conversations, as you can see, there are no recent chats available. So that means all the chat history is now deleted. So that is how you can delete chat history from ChatGPT on mobile. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.